editing 24/7. So in this video, I am going to show you how to add video as a background in Canva. So without any further ado, let's dive right in. First thing first, let's upload a video. In order to do that, you have to go to the left section and go to upload and go to the video section. For this, you have to have your video uploaded first. I have already uploaded a lot of videos. I'm gonna choose one. Now the video is just there. So in order to make this video as background or the key screen, you have to simply click the video and right click and go all the way down, and there's an option called save video as background. Now all you have to do is tap that, and there you go. Your video has set as background. Now all we have to do is edit and stuff if you want to, and that's it for today's video. I hope this video was helpful. If so, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel Editing 24. Thank you.